Indiana General Assembly is not expected to be ready for a special session on Monday. This comes after Indiana Governor Mike Braun called for a special session centered on redistricting and tax issues. The Trump administration is putting pressure on Hoosier lawmakers to redraw the map in favor of all Republican seats. Indiana Republicans say they are working to determine scheduling availability for the session. In response, Governor Braun said, quote, "I look forward to working closely with our colleagues in both the House and the Senate to address these important issues and ensure Hoosiers continue to have strong representation in our nation's capital."